Hey guys, welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. No way, Coinbase and Shiba Inu Coin just did this. Explained. We often hear the news about Shiba Inu and Coinbase bonds. Mostly, their link brings great news. Once again, they're back in the news. Wondering what it is about? In this video, we will talk about no way, Coinbase and Shiba Inu Coin just did this. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's begin the video. Shiba Inu began gathering a lot of traction these days as Unification X Fund, a blockchain service provider company that is directly involved in the development of Shibarium Layer 2 solution, confirmed via a recently published official Medium blog post that they plan to deploy Shibarium public beta testnet in the third quarter, along with the fund testnet upgrade incorporating the much-anticipated IBC/Gravity/W fund update. The mysterious XRP whale reportedly transferred about $210 million worth of Shiba Inu from a Binance wallet to a proprietary wallet. According to Etherscan, the XRP whale converted over $40 million of Ripple into 20 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, increasing the share of Shib to 21% of the wallet and lowering the share of XRP by 5%. The transaction was considered the largest ever transaction in Shiba Inu's history. The whale now holds over 48.7 trillion Shib in its portfolio. Using a record-breaking transaction, the crypto whale has now accumulated 20,024,240 Shib, worth $210,105,912, according to Etherscan data. In early May, 1.5 billion Shiba had been burned to decrease the market supply and increase the token's price. But the move did not produce the desired results, considering that the stock lost about 8% in the following week. After making investors dream of 2021 by entering the top 10 most capitalized cryptocurrencies, Shiba and Dogecoin experienced a real collapse of about 80% in the last year. But evidently, big investors are taking advantage of low prices and continuing to accumulate Shib, which, along with the other big meme coin, Dogecoin, is beginning to be used by big companies such as Tesla, AMC, the world's largest owner of cinemas and theaters, Nike, GameStop, and Nordstrom. According to some late June data, whales in the crypto market hold Shib tokens worth $594,171,595. About 14.48% of their total holdings. Notably, the whale responsible for the huge transfer reportedly began to move just after the announcement of the Shibarium of 1 billion tokens. According to Etherscan data, the whale had already accumulated about 25 billion Shiba Inu tokens by the end of May. With this latest transfer, the whale would have surpassed the largest holder of Shiba tokens, named Light, which holds about 32 billion tokens in its portfolio, becoming the largest holder of Shiba Inus in the world. Now, let's move to the main subject. Shiba Inu has become the 11th most popular coin on Coinbase, as 80% of Coinbase users prefer to buy the most popular canine-themed cryptocurrency. Shiba Inu has also taken the third spot as the most searched coin on CoinMarketCap in the past 24 hours. The popularity of Shiba Inu across all major cryptocurrency exchanges and price tracking websites begins to increase as Unification X Fund reveals its plan to deploy Shibarium public beta testnet in the third quarter. The recent data revealed by Coinbase, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges, shows that 87% of its users have increased their net long positions in Shib over the past 24 hours through trading, while only 13% of its users prefer to sell the 14th biggest cryptocurrency in the world. At the same time, the data provided by CoinMarketCap states that Shib is now the third trending coin on the world's top crypto tracking website. Following the developments mentioned above, the trading volume for Shib spiked more than 95% over the past days. Now, a 24-hour volume for the most popular dog-themed cryptocurrency stands at $414,629,633. At the time of writing, Shiba Inu is trading at the price of $0.0001025. According to a recent report by the Crypto Basic, the XRP-focused mega crypto whale has accumulated a whopping 20,024,240 Shib, worth $210,105,912 in one record-breaking transaction in the past 24 hours. Shiba Inu has announced that the public beta testnet for its Layer 2 blockchain project, Shibarium, will commence in the third quarter of 2022. The team behind Shiba Inu decided to deploy the public beta testing for Shiba Inu in the third quarter of 2022 after the success recorded during the private alpha testnet of the L2 blockchain. According to an announcement, the private alpha testnet of Shibarium has been quietly running for weeks without experiencing any issues, and developers feel the time is right to roll out the project for public testing. The Shibarium public beta testnet is planned for deployment in the third quarter, to coincide with the fund testnet upgrade, which includes the much-anticipated IBC/Gravity/W fund updates, Shiba Inu said in the announcement. Upon the rollout of Shibarium for public testing, people will be allowed to interact with the network fully, especially participating in the validation process. The public beta testnet will allow parties to fully interact with the network, including the validation process. According to Unification, the primary tool under heavy development is the wallet application, which is intended to be an all-inclusive application covering two-way asset transfers between L1 and L2, asset transfers on each respective level, staking/delegating, and in future releases, SHIBASWAP integration, which will also be deployed on L2. Meanwhile, Shibarium is part of the initiatives under development that will prove that Shiba Inu is not a meme coin, but a utility project. The L2 network, which is being built on the Ethereum blockchain, is tipped to have the same capabilities as ETH scaling platform Polygon. Once Shibarium goes live, Shiba Inu developers will migrate all SHIB-related projects, including Shiboshi, the upcoming collectible card game, and the Metaverse project to the Layer 2 network. Cryptocurrency exchange FTX surpassed its rival Coinbase in terms of Bitcoin trading volume in May, despite the latter boasting a record number of trades, according to a recent Keiko report. The discrepancy in trade volumes versus the number of trades indicates that the average dollar value per trade on Coinbase was lower than that on FTX. Average trade size on FTX $2K is nearly double that on Coinbase $1K for the BTC-USD pair, reads the report. Though Coinbase maintained its hold on users, Keiko analysts reported that several smaller exchanges, notably Bitfinex and Bitstamp, shed a large slice of their market share. The trend suggests that the market is consolidating amid prolonged bearish sentiment, with smaller players having a harder time keeping up with the competition, reads the report. Coinbase also reported a major spike in trading volumes last month. However, it failed to surpass the all-time high seen during the sell-off on May 19, 2021, amid China's Bitcoin crackdown. Those issues included intermittent downtime on Coinbase, Binance pausing Ethereum-related token withdrawals, and Kraken reporting user connectivity issues. The report also highlights the Coinbase premium, the difference between hourly Bitcoin prices on the BTC-USD pair on Coinbase and Binance. The premium turned negative in May after being positive for nearly 6 months. Recently, Core Scientific announced first quarter 2022 results. Total revenue of $192.5 million increased by $138.3 million, or 255%, from $54.2 million. The increase in total revenue was driven primarily by digital asset mining revenue and hosting revenue, partially offset by a decrease in equipment sales. Total hosting revenue of $33.2 million increased by $20.5 million, or 162%, from $12.7 million. The increase in customer hosting revenue was driven primarily by onboarding new clients and executing new related party hosting contracts for miners deployed. Total equipment sales to customers of $26.3 million decreased by $5.6 million, or 18%. The decrease in equipment sales to customers was primarily driven by less miners being deployed, partially offset by equipment sales to related parties driven by higher demand for new generation mining equipment. Digital asset mining income of $133.0 million increased by $123.4 million, or 1,281%, from $9.6 million. The year-over-year increase in mining income was driven primarily by an increase in self-mining hash rate. The self-mining hash rate increased by 1,975% to 8.3 EHs from 0.40 EHs. The total number of Bitcoins awarded was 3,202 compared to 206. The average price of Bitcoin was $41,299 as compared to $44,274, a decrease of 7%. The cost of $122.5 million revenue increased by $82.8 million or 209% from $39.7 million. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.